Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be showing you a fall nail art tutorial with pumpkin and gold glitter designs. I hope you enjoy the process. For this video I'm gonna be using the Zoya beige nail polish color and an Essie brown color from the Expressi collection in the color Take the Espresso number 90, and it's a quick dry nail polish. I really love the formula and I love the color. It's really opaque and it's really nice, and it actually lasts for a long time, so it's a long wear nail polish, which is hard to find, and it doesn't create any bubbles when you apply it, so I totally recommend this specific brand and the specific collection. I'm gonna be using the brown color on the pinky, index, and thumbnails, and I'm gonna be using the beige color on the middle finger as well as the ring finger. Then I add a few coats of the Essie and I paint her pinky, index, and thumbnails, and I clean the edges with my nails. And here's the result of the first stage of painting her nails. Then I add a few coats of the Zoya nail polish and the beige color, and a few coats also to the Expressi brown color. I always like to have a very opaque nail polish color. And now I'm painting her left hand, the same colors, using brown for the pinky, index, and thumb, and using the beige color for the ring and middle fingers. And as usual, I add a few coats to have a very opaque color. And then with a thin nail art brush, I'm picking up the orange color and trying to draw a pumpkin with it. And then I realized that trying to fill in the pumpkin with some orange nail polish mixed with some beige nail polish wasn't really practical. So what I eventually did, after trying to paint them within the lines, and it was super challenging, especially that when you're painting with nail polish tends to dry super fast. It's not like acrylic paint, so it wasn't really helping me. It wasn't really practical to use. I painted on top of it with a regular orange nail polish so that I can trace the lines after that with a darker shade, so that I don't have to constantly draw between the lines or fill in the color between the lines. Then with a black color, I'm drawing the pumpkin's peduncle and then the tendril as well with green nail polish. Then I'm trying to make the green tendril even more opaque. Neon colors also tend to be much more challenging than regular colors, so usually they dry faster and they're not as opaque, which makes them even more challenging. So I mix orange, beige, and brown to come up with this color. It's like a darker shade of orange, more like of a brownish orange, but very light compared to brown. And I'm tracing the lines of the pumpkin, and the black color I used it for the peduncle, but it was a little bit challenging also because of the nail polish. So the nail polish texture and consistency and the way it dries super fast compared to acrylic paint, especially when it's fast drying. But I'm very happy with the result, and it was a fun activity to do. For the future, I'm gonna be using acrylic paint because it's gonna be much less drying than regular nail polish, and it's gonna allow me more flexibility in how I draw shapes, and they're not gonna be drying too fast before I'm able to adjust everything on the nail with regular nail polish. Painting the pumpkin with a regular orange nail polish. And then I'm drawing the peduncle with dark brown nail polish. I'm tracing the pumpkin lines with brownish orange, and don't worry if you mess up any of the lines because you can always erase the lines with drawing like on top of it with a different color, erasing it depending on where you mess up the lines. On her ring fingers where I applied the beige colors, I apply a thin top coat and then I use glitter. I just sprinkle the glitter on top of her finger, and it's amazing how they lay on the nail polish almost perfectly, like a perfect mosaic. All I do is just pick it up with my finger, whichever spot needs to be filled in with sequins, and then tap it on her finger, and then it's not gonna mess up the top coat because the top coat is thin enough to just hold on to the sequin. It's not gonna get on my finger, so it'll lay perfectly on the fingernail. Just get rid of the excess on the sides of her nail with a brush. I just brush them off. On her ring fingers, I'm applying sequin. For this application, I'm using clear top coat, and then as soon as I apply the clear top coat, I'm sprinkling the sequins. Whatever sequins are falling on the plate, I'm just finger tapping them with my finger and then applying more sequins in the empty areas on her fingernail to make sure that the fingernail has enough sequins in a way that it looks like I have a mosaic of gold sequins. And then I brush off the excess with a clean dry brush. Then I apply the clear top coat on all of her fingernails for a look of fresh application and more shine and glow to her fingernails. And that is the final nail art look. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below what next videos you'd like me to film for you. Thank you so much and have a beautiful rest of your week. Bye!